YouTuber JerryRigEverything went full electro boom on the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It does all make sense, I promise. Hello players, welcome back to the show where pants are optional, but your fire extinguisher is mandatory. I am your tech jester, Buzz Stringer. So let's talk about Google again. We can't get enough of them. The company that brought us the Pixel phone, the Google graveyard, and the slow motion car crash that was Stadia. They just dropped their latest flagship, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and holy lightning lithium Batman, it literally exploded. Now do comment as soon as thoughts enter your mind, even if they're not fully formed yet, like me. Yeah, if you can't think of anything, then this video's safe words are my crotch is toasty. You can comment with those. This poor phone was handed over to JerryRigEverything, or he bought it. Either way, I don't know. But he's a YouTuber best known for destroying tech while sounding like he could also fix everything in your house. This guy's durability tests are the final boss for product design. If your phone survives Jerry, it's basically Thor's hammer with Face ID. Now Google, because they're Google, called the Pixel 10 Pro Fold their most durable foldable phone ever. And they weren't wrong, because fold is the key word here. Because the moment Jerry applied a little bendy pressure in the wrong direction, the Pixel 10 Pro folded harder than Mark Zuckerberg in a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu match. Do we have a picture of Mark Zuckerberg? Yeah, there we go. But the battery caught fire. Yeah, that's not a joke. It lit up like a Samsung Note 7. That's a joke. There was smoke, flames, and a fire alarm going off in the video. Another fire alarm is when you get geo-restricted because you live in a country that has crumpets, tea, and face scans. So NordVPN can make it appear as if you're in almost any other country, and it helps you protect your privacy online. There is a huge discount if you sign up with the link below, and using that link to sign up really does help the channel, so thank you for that. Right, back to it. And to be fair to Jerry, who's been cracking phones in half longer than most TikTokers have had pubes, he says this is the first time in 10 years of YouTubing that a phone has literally caught fire during a durability test. I mean, not even Apple's butterfly keyboard could cause that level of damage, and that thing was allergic to air. Google apparently reused the exact same structural design flaw that plagued the Pixel Fold and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I don't like the names, they keep getting longer, make them shorter. It's at the antenna line, right where all the other phones snapped. It's like Boeing designing the exact same plane and then crashing it again and going, oh yeah, but this one had Bluetooth. After the phone went boom boom, Jerry joked to not store this thing unfolded in your pocket. And I disagree. If you want to set fire to your genitals, we don't kink shame here. But I do want a phone that can survive a day in my backpack, not be an audition for Mythbusters. Foldables pack more components into less space, and that means that there is less thermal headroom. That means that the moment you puncture a lithium cell, it's not a bend test anymore, it's a Michael Bay reboot. Google proudly labeled this a dustproof, ultra-durable phone. Sure, it may be dustproof because that's the only thing that survives the fire. It is ash. At the time of filming this, Google has not released a statement, probably because they're busy Googling how to put out a lithium fire. But they're gonna have to say something soon, because when your flagship phone is trending under spontaneous combustion, that's not a great marketing pivot. But this is a great pivot to the end of the show. My only job here is to make you laugh. If that happened, feel free to hit any one of the buttons. The subscribe button is a good one. I like that one the most. Okay, stay sexy and be excellent to each other. I've completely given up making innuendos, but it's getting really hard now and I don't think I can pull it off.